Dear students, lesson number 13, profit and loss. Under this lesson, we are solving the example based on total cost price, and I taught you how to find out the total cost price of a articles. So inside it I told you before only, in that we have to take the original price of that article. After that, any octroi, any transport or porterage, whatever we are spend to bring that into the shop, that all things we have to add. And after that we solve these examples. First four examples we solve it, and first I think three examples we solve it, and now the 4, 5 and 6, these examples are left solving. Now we will see the question number 4. Kusumtai brought 80 cookers. How many cookers? 80 cookers for rupees how much? 7,000. She brought 80 cookers for 700 rupees. Each means one's cost is 700. Transporter on it she spent the 1280 or 1280 on transport. Okay, and if she wants profit, how much profit she wants? 18,000 rupees she wants profit after selling 80 cookers. After selling 80 cookers, what should be the selling price per cooker? That we have to find out. Cookers selling price we have to find out. So first of all, in this example, we have to find out the total cost price, and for that we have to first find out. Wait, I will take the option of that underlines. So the total cross price of cookers, how we will find out? First of all, we have to multiply this 80 cookers, means one cooker's cost with the 80, because then we will get the cost of 80 cookers, and inside it we have to add the 1280 rupees transport charges, and then we have to find its total cost price. And they want the profit of, how much profit they want? Profit of 18,000 they want. So CP inside we have to add this selling price, and then we have to divide it with the 80, then we will get the answer of the question. Okay, so let's solve the example. So first of all, Kusumtai, how much cookers she brought? 80 cookers. So CP of, in short I will write because this is example is very big, CP of 80 cookers is equals to 80 into how much? What is the cost of one cooker? 700. So 7 8s are, how much is there? 56, and remaining zeros we have to give on it. So here 5, 6 and 000. So 56,000 is the CP of 80 cookers. Then that point was deleted by me. So here we have to write CP of 80 cookers. CP of 80 cookers is equal to 80 into 700 is equal to 56,000. 56,000. Then 56,000. Then we have to, so here total CP of cooker, total cost price of cookers is equals to 56,000, means cost price of cooker, plus we have to add transport charges inside it, and the transport charges are 1280. Okay, so total CP is equals to 082. So the sum of this both we are doing, 0 plus 0 8 2 and then 7 and 5. So 57,280 is the total CP. Now she wants how much profit? She wants profit of rupees how much? 18,000. She wants profit of rupees how much? 18,000. Okay, so total cost selling price is equals to therefore selling price is equal to selling price of 80 cookers is equals to how much it is there, 57,280 plus 18,000. So here the sum of this both is how much, 0 plus 0 0, 8, and after that here it is 2, 0 plus 0 8, 2, 8 plus 7 15, 1 carry, and then here 75,280 is the total CP. Understood what we had done it here? We had done the addition of 57,000 and 1800, so its answer is how much, 75,280. that is the total selling price. Now we have to find out the CP of each cooker, and for that what we have to do, we have to divide this 57 CP of SP of CP not SP of selling price of one cooker is equals to how much, 75,280 divided by, we have to do the 80, and when you solve this, now here place is not there and the answer you will get, and that answer is how much it is there, 941 is the CP of SP of each cooker. So that division I will show you here in short. 78280 upon 80, 0 get cancels with 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72, remains 6, then 8 fours are 72, then here if you divide this you will get here 456, then here remains, here place problem is there, so that's why I can't see, and 8 ones are 8, so here 941 is the what, CP of what, each SP of each cooker. If she will sell one cooker for 941, then she will get the profit of 18,000 in whole this what, transaction. In this way we have to solve this example. Now we will move towards, after note down this example, after this we will see the next question. Okay, note down this. Now the next question. The next question is, Indrajit brought 10 refrigerator. How many refrigerators he brought? 10 refrigerators at 12,000 each. One refrigerator's cost is 12,000, and spent 5,000 on the transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make the profit of 20,000? So same only it is there, 10 refrigerators are there and its cost is how much, 12,000 each. So here also what we have to do, the total CP we have to find out, and that is the total CP means cost of 10 refrigerators and plus 5,000 is the how much, transport charges. 5,000 is the transport charges, and then that is CP that we have to what, to get the profit of 20,000. How to solve that we will see. Okay, now here what is the name of that person? Indrajit brought 10 refrigerator. So CP of 10 refrigerator, okay, price of 10 refrigerators is equal to price of one refrigerator is equal to how much, 12,000. How much? 12,000. Yes. So price of one refrigerator equals to 12,000. Therefore price of 10 refrigerators equals to 12,000 into 10 equals to 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay. Now the inside it total CP is equals to total cost price is equals to 1,20,000, means it is the price of how much, that is 10 refrigerator plus transport charges, how much it is there, 5,000 rupees, and sum of this is equals to how much, 1,25,000. Now he wants the profit of, okay, he wants to make a profit of how much rupees, 20,000 rupees he wants the profit, okay. Therefore selling price of 10 refrigerators is equals to 10 refrigerators is equals to 1,25,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 1,45,000, okay, 1,45,000. Now we have to find out what the selling price of, therefore selling price of one refrigerator is equals to how much, 1,45,000. Wait, 1,45,000 divided by 10, and so the cost of one refrigerator, that selling price of one refrigerator is equals to how much, that 0 get cancels with the 0, and 14,500. So if Indrajit sell one refrigerator for 14,500, then he will make the profit of 20,000. In this way we have to solve the example. Here in this example we find first of all the total CP, means we find the cost of a 10 refrigerators CP, and then add the transport charges. So 1,25,000 is the total price of it, and to make the profit of 20,000, so we find the selling price of 10 refrigerator, and it is 1,45,000. And that 1,45,000, if we divide with the 10, because 10 refrigerators are there, we get the selling price of one refrigerator, okay. So note down this example, then we will see the next example, okay. Now the next question is question number 6. Lalita Bai sold seeds worth rupees 13,700. How much rupees? 13,700. Then in her field she had to spend 5,000, okay, 5,300 rupees on how much? Fertilizers, then fertilizer and pesticides, okay. Then afterwards 7,160 are the labor charges, means the people who are working in the farm, for them she gave 7,160. If on selling her produce she earn how much rupees? 35,400 rupees she earned. Then what was the profit and what was or loss, that we have to find. So here in this transaction also, what we have to find out, the total, first of all we have to find the total CP, and then here we have to after getting the total CP, we have to compare the CP and SP, and then we will get the answer, that is then we will get the answer of our question, that is he got the profit or she got the profit or she got the loss. So first of all we will solve the example. Once we will repeat it. She sowed the seed for 13,700, Then fertilizers and pesticides she spent rupees 5,300 and 7,160 rupees on the labor, and she got the selling price is the 35,400. So let's solve the example. So here total CP is equals to, so total cost price, total cost price is equals to, how much it is there, 13,300 she spent on, 13,700 on seed, she sowed the seed of that much rupees, fertilizers and that 5,000 pesticide 5,300, and afterwards 7,160 on the labor charges. So sum of this all is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then afterwards here 6, then 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, then here 7 8, 8 plus 5 13, and 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, so 1 carry, and here 26,160 is the total, it's a CP. So here 26,160, 26,160. Now selling price of, she got the what, after selling she got how many rupees, that is 35,400. So selling price is equal to how much, selling price is equals to 35,400 rupees. So here if you see the selling price is greater than cost price, and therefore there is profit. So simply we have to use the profit formula. Profit is equals to how much, SP means selling price minus cost price. Okay, so selling price is equal to 35,400, and cost price is equal to, just now we find it here, 26,160, and that's why if you do the subtraction of this you will get the 9,240 rupees, 9,240 rupees profit that Lalita Bai get in the from the field. In this way we have to solve the example. So today note down this, and today you have to complete the practice set number 32 and you just send me on my personal number. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.